Hello everyone. Today me and my teammates are going to discuss about the topic for Smart India Hackathon 2024. Our problem statement title is Health Data Information and Management System using mobile application. Our application is based on software and is compatible for both web application and mobile application as per user role.
As we have discussed about the compatibility of our app, both as a web app and a mobile app. Our app provides data management, participant role, AI-based analysis, security storage, and as well as reporting tools for data analysis with the user-friendly interface. By addressing the problem, our app integrates data across the healthcare facility for seamless information flow and AI analytics for improved patient care and proactive management, as well as role-based dashboard for transparency and progress tracking for overall administrative level. The factors that make our idea unique are insights powered by AI, blockchain for security, and better data visualization for further decision making.
As per the points discussed previously, the technologies that are used for building our app ideas are React.js and React Native for cross-platform development, Azure for cloud-based infrastructure, encryption for security protocol, Node.js for system integration, and MongoDB for framework. The flow of roles in our app starts from the super admin who has the access to the overall department, and the particular department has the access to the bounded hospitals. The hospital admins has the access to the particular doctor and nurses. For further clarification, mentioned links can be considered.
As per the technologies mentioned previously, our app ensures smooth implementation for long-term existence in the market, cost saving, enhanced staff productivity, patients satisfaction, and AI-based cloud for better data visualization. Solutions for the challenges faced are: first, we are providing secure authentication for data security. There might be a possibility of scalability issue. For that, we are providing cloud-based infrastructure, that is Azure. Problem regarding data accuracy and integrity, we are providing validations so that the data becomes accurate. Fourth, for resource shortages, AI ML tools are provided for predictive analysis. This app impacts improvement in resource management for hospital admins, government administration to monitor health programs, better care and access to health programs for patients, enhanced policy formulation, and health interventions.
Benefits for the solutions are efficient data management, improved decision making, enhanced patient care, and data security.
We have mentioned literature, mobile application, HIPAA guidelines, patients, and also statistics for the purpose idea. Mentioned links provides all the required information of the literature. Thank you.